Hey everyone! Here's a tutorial on getting the Patreon version of iiMii Maker up and running, and trust me, it's super easy because it's literally only 2 steps. First, you want to navigate to Nivium's Patreon into the iiMii Maker post itself. Scroll down to the download link. Of course you are free to read the post itself, which has these steps there. It's very interesting stuff. The download links are located here. Just click them to download them to wherever you want. I chose desktop. There they are. iiMii Maker is in the zip format, so you can just double click it. I use WinRAR, so a window pops up for me. To keep it organized, I'll just make a new folder here. And drag it in. Already halfway there. The last step really is just to drag the other file you downloaded into this folder here. Now you're done! That's it! Now you can get on to making some wild and awesome iiMiis.